There are those who like sweet snacks and those who like salty snacks. I am in the salty camp. Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. Today we're making roasted chickpeas that are going to blow your socks off if you are a salty snack human being. Is you want to take dried chickpeas and you want to soak them overnight. And these are ones that actually I have soaked overnight. I have the oven preheating to 400. I'm going to do a half a teaspoon each of oregano and garlic powder and smoked paprika because I like a little bit of the smoky bit. And I'm actually going to do not a half a teaspoon of this. I'm going to do a quarter teaspoon of cayenne because I like it a little bit spicy. I'm also going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So after about 20 minutes, we're going to check on these check on the chickpeas and see how they're doing. These are not quite there yet, so I'm going to let them go for another, probably another 10. Oh, those are looking pretty good. A little crunchy, meaty, just the right amount of spice. So perfect as a way to cure your cravings for a salty snack. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, post a like, tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves snacks and salty things and easy things that you can make with ingredients that you have on hand all the time. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most fabulous week. There are those who like sugary snacks and those who like sweet snacks. I am on the snacks.